Now let's walk through the process of adding an allocation. I've selected Allocations from the Personnel Budgeting menu. I'm going to select to edit the existing staff allocation. I'm going to add a new allocation segment. I'm going to name it EW, and I'm going to apply it to the period of time from January to June. I'm going to assign this to the employee Eric Walker. I can specify a scenario and show matches to see the base compensation information for Eric Walker, which is in Fund 10, Department 10, no particular project or grant. Now I'll add a target. When I select this target, I'm going to pick a different department and a project to which half of his costs will be allocated for this 6-month period. Click Add New Target, then select the budget worksheet for Department 18, Information Technology. I'm going to pick the project website. I'm going to leave the grant as it is in his basic record, which will leave it blank. I'm going to assign a quantity of 50 for 50% of his salary and click the plus symbol. Then I will save this allocation. Let's use the summary screen of personnel budgeting to review the impact of this allocation. When I look up Eric Walker on the summary, I see his base compensation information. When I choose to view with allocation and click load, I'll see that a portion of his salary is allocated for the months from January through June. I can even show the allocation details and click load, and then I can see where the EW allocation causes salary information to be removed from the General Administration Department and added to the Information Technology Department and the project of website. Now that we've shown a few examples of allocations, let's review a few important features. Don't set up allocation targets for an employee's home department. The home department will automatically get whatever is left over after all the targets for that employee have been applied. An allocation can have as many allocation segments as you need. Typically, you're only going to need one allocation, and it's going to have many segments in it for all of the employees that you wish to allocate. Martus does support multiple allocations, but typically you're only going to want to use one allocation for any given fiscal year. And last of all, please be sure to apply your allocation before posting a personnel budgeting scenario to the Martus budget. There's more information in the Martus knowledge base. For help, please log a support ticket through the knowledge base or email support@martussolutions.com. Thank you for watching our tutorial on personnel budgeting allocations.